Welcome to AikSphere Technologies. Today, we will show you how to install and set up AikSphere's ELD in your truck. You'll receive either a green or blue cable with the blue ELD. You'll need an Android tablet or a smartphone to complete the setup. Locate the diagnostic port on the truck. If it is a 9-pin green plug, connect the green cable and turn the plug clockwise to ensure it's locked properly. Connect the other end of the cable into the blue ELD. The 3 lights on the ELD will start blinking and the power light will become solid. On your Android device, open the Blue Link Admin app. Select your ELD. Once you're on this screen, look for the Friendly Name Extension tab. Click Edit and enter your truck number. Click OK. You'll see a green notification on the top after successful configuration. Now close Blue Link Admin app. Then open Driver Log app. Enter your group ID, username, and password that your company has provided you. Click Register, then click Choose, and select your truck number from the list. At this point, the app will attempt to connect to the ELD. Please allow about 30 seconds for the first-time connection. Look for the letters BL on the top right corner. If BL is blue, it's indicating a successful connection. But if it's red, then you have not connected successfully. Once you've verified your connection, you may now mount the ELD on the dashboard with double-sided tape. Thanks for watching. AikSphere Technologies. Innovative solutions built for transportation industries. Visit AikSphere.com.